So in this PayPal tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to pay bills here on PayPal. So once PayPal's opened up, just go to the top left here and press on the three horizontal lines. Scroll down a little bit until you come across the option that says Pay Bills, and then go ahead and press on that. Once you're on this screen right here, it's going to go ahead and show you your bills page. So this could be subscriptions, this could be recurring bills, whatever the case may be. If you have it linked to your PayPal account, it'll show up here. Then you can go ahead and select the bills, go ahead and pay it off through this screen right here. So I don't have any bills showing, so I obviously can't pay anything for this example, but pretty straightforward. Once again, if I were to go back here, just go to the menu option, scroll down to where it says Pay Bills, press on it, and then you'll go ahead and see the bills right here for payment. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to pay bills on PayPal. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.